The physiology of plasma membrane, which is a plasma membrane, acts as a thin barrier which separates the intracellular fluid from the extracellular fluid in which the cell lies. Through the plasma membrane is a limited, though the plasma membrane is a limiting barrier around the cell, but it performs various important functions like permeability. The plasma membrane is a thin elastic membrane around the cell which usually allows the movement of small ions and molecules of various substances. According to the permeability, important types of plasma membrane have been recognized. Impermeable plasma membrane means nothing to pass through it except the gases. Then semi-permeable plasma membrane, which allow only water but no solid particles to pass through them. And selective permeable plasma membrane. The plasma membrane and other intracellular membrane are very selective in nature. Such membranes allow only certain selected ions and small molecules to pass through them. In the fourth, dialyzing plasma membrane. The plasma membrane of certain cells has certain exogenous pores around it. This type of plasma membrane having extraneous pores around it acts as a dialyzer. In this membrane, the water molecules and crystalloids are forced through them by the hydrostatic pressure force. Next function is osmosis. The plasma membrane is permeable to water molecules. The to and fro movement of water molecules through the plasma membrane occurs due to the differences in the concentration of the solute on its either side. The process by which the water molecules pass through a membrane from a region of higher water concentration to the region of lower water concentration. This process is osmosis. The osmosis is divided into two processes again, endosmosis and exosmosis. The process in which the water molecules enter into the cell is known as endosmosis, and its reverse process when the water molecules exit from the cell, this process is known as exosmosis. Next function is diffusion or passive transport. When molecules of two kinds are placed together, they tend to mix with each other by a process known as the diffusion. The diffusion of certain molecules, certain solutes of substances takes place through the plasma membrane. Such diffusing solute particles require no energy for the diffusion process. That is why this is called passive transport. Now, the active transport. When the molecules or ions move through the plasma membrane from low concentration to higher concentration, they require sufficient amount of energy for such movement. The energy is provided by ATP. This is formed in mitochondria. Next function is endocytosis and exocytosis. Usually the cells of unicellular or multicellular organisms take their food in the form of solution. In a multicellular animal, the food substances are digested by certain enzymes in the digestive tube, absorbed by the intestine and passed to the internal body. The plasma membrane participates actively in the digestion of certain large-sized food or foreign substances. The process by which the foreign substances are taken in and are digested is known as endocytosis. And in the process of exocytosis, the cells which have secretory functions, such as pancreatic cells, pass out their enzymatic secretion outside the cell. This is known as exocytosis. This is divided into, according to the food or foreign substances, into two types, pinocytosis and phagocytosis. When the ingestion of fluid material in bulk takes place by the cells through the plasma membrane, this process is known as pinocytosis. And sometimes the large size solid food or foreign particles are taken in by the cell through the plasma membrane. This process is known as phagocytosis. So the functions of plasma membrane.